Today we are finally unboxing the brand new Legion Alien gaming smartphone. Let's take a closer look at its design. After a long 3-year wait, I am thrilled to say that Legion is officially back. I honestly thought Red Magic was the only gaming phone lefty. The back has two distinct textures, a matte finish and a premium mirrored glass logo. The volume and power buttons are on the right side. The camera module is truly unique. The left AI key anticipates needs via single or double clicks. You know the specs. 2K display, 8000 mAh battery, and triple layer cooling. Performance-wise, it hits 144 Hz. For a full Y70 review, camera, gaming, and stability, we'll wait for the 19th launch. Day tested cyber water dancing beast mode. It's very stable. As for the official claims about enhanced directional audio and other gaming advantages, I'll be putting them to the test for you. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this phone, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll gather those up and cover them in the next video. Alright, see you next time. Bye. Red Magic seemed the only gaming phone budget Legion and Alienware returned on the 19th. The design is a round square blend with a matte gripper to a grippy mirrored logo.